Hi and welcome to MJK Blasting. So today we're doing a phone box. This is a K6 for a company called Unicorn Kiosks who specialise in phone boxes. So take a look. So today we're going to strip it right back and get it ready for paint. Right, as far as I can get to like this, now I need to get the forklift out, roll it over onto its side, and then get the last parts that are hidden from the underside, and then she's all ready for primer. Right, I've had a little tidy up, so now it's time to prime this up. Unicorn Kiosks like this done in red oxide, so that's what we're going to do today. And then, yeah, let's go for it. Right, so that's all done then. I've taken it back out. Thought I wouldn't bore you. I'm boring you enough as it is. Took it out, spun it back round, brought it back in, finished the priming off. Done the door frame as well. A lot of people don't realise they're an oak frame with a metal insert. That's all done, so it's ready to go. So if you like this, please like, share, subscribe, and follow us for the next one. Cheers.